Hello student, today we are going to discuss history
Chapter 6.
Janapadas and Mahajanapadas question and answer. Question number 1. Filling the blanks. First, we get information about the Janapadas in the post-Vedic period in the writing of dash historian. The answer is Greek. Next, Avanti Mahajanapadas was situated in the dash region of Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Malwa. Third, Gautam Buddha lived for a long duration in dash Vihara in Shravasti. The answer is Jetwan. Fourth, some Mahajanpadas had dash consisting of senior citizens. The answer is Gana Parishad. Next, Mahajanpada of Avanti was merged in Magad Empire during the regime of King Dash. The answer is Nandivardham. Next, King Pradyot of Avanti was contemporary of Dash and the Gautam Buddha. The answer is Vardhaman Mahavir. Next question is select the appropriate alternatives from those given in the brackets and following statements. First, foundation of new capital city of Patligram was laid during the regime of King Dash. The answer is Ajatshatu. Next, the expansion of Magadha started during the regime of King Dash. The answer is Bimbisara. Third, Rajagriha, that is Rajgir, is modern Bihar, was the capital of Magadha. Next, we learn about King Udayana from the Sanskrit plays of Bhasa. Next, Bimbisara embraced Buddhism. 6. Patligram was later named as Patliputra. Next question is match the following pairs. First, Sangiti Buddhist Parishad. Second, Dhananand Nanda King. Third, Patligram Ajatshatu. Next, Kosala Saket. Vasta Kausambi. Avanti Ujjaini. Magadha Rajagriha. Next is Udayana, a brave king of Vasta. Second, Pradyot, an important king of Avanti. Third, Bimbisara, beginning of expansion of Magadha. Fourth, Nishunga, nearly the whole of the North India under Magadha dominant. Next question is name the following. First, the architecture who built the palace of King Bimbisara. Answer is Mahagovinda. The famous physician in the court of King Bimbisara. Answer is Jivaka. Third, convenes the first Buddhist council at Rajagriha. The answer is King Ajatshatu. Fourth, founded the ruler of Maurya dynasty. The answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Fifth, last king in the Nanda dynasty. Answer is Dhananand. The republic to which Gautam Buddha belonged. Answer is Sakya. Next, this was the venue of discussion. The answer is Santhaghar. Next, some part of today's Maharashtra was occupied by the Janapada. The answer is Ashmak. Next, this was the assembly of the senior citizen of Janapada. The answer is Ganaparishad. Next, they had a 4-column army. The answer is Nanda, king of Magadha. Next question is answer the following questions in one sentence each. First, what is meant by Janapadas? The answer is the small states that came into existence in North India in the post-Vedic period were known as the Janapadas. यानी आफ्टर द पोस्ट वैदिक पीरियड के बाद जो छोटे छोटे स्टेट्स जो है इमर्ज हुए हैं उसको क्या कहा गया है जनपदास. व्हाट इज मीन बाय महाजनपदास? दो स्ट्रॉन्ग द जनपदास विच बिकेम एक्सपेंशनिस्ट एंड enlarge their geographical areas were known as the महाजनपदास. यानी जो जनपदास ने अपनी जो बाउंड्रीज है उनको बाद में बढ़ाया है उसको महाजनपदास कहा गया है. Where was the first Buddhist council held? The first Buddhist council was held at Rajagriha. Fourth, who introduced the system of standardized weight and measures? The system of standardized weights and measures was introduced by the rulers of Nanda dynasty. Next, which period in the history of ancient India is described as the post-Vedic period? The is The period from 1000 BC to 600 BC is described as the post-Vedic period in the history of ancient India. Next, in which literature do we find references regarding Janapadas? Answer: names of some of the Janapadas are mentioned in Sanskrit, Pali, and Ardha literature. Next, what was the system of government in Janapadas in the post-Vedic period? Answer: in the post-Vedic period, some Janapadas were republics, whereas some were monarchies. Next, which were the most important Mahajanapadas in the post-Vedic period? Answer: Kosala, Vasta, Avanti, and Magadha were the most important Mahajanapadas in the post-Vedic period. Next, which kings were contemporaries of the Gautam Buddhas? The answer is Prasenjit, the king of Kosala, King Udayana of Vasta, and Ajashatru, the king of Magadha, were the contemporaries of the Gautam Buddha. Next, which were the famous cities of the Kosala Mahajanapadas? Shravasti, Saket, Kausavati were the famous cities of the Kosala Mahajanapadas. Next, which states were annexed by King Shishunga? The answer is the Shishunga annexed King Sushanga annexed the states of Avanti, Vasta, and Kosala. Next question is write the areas in which post-Vedic Janapadas were scattered. The answer is the Janapadas in the post-Vedic period were scattered from Afghanistan in the northwest to Bihar, Bengal, and Odisha in east and the Maharashtra in the south. Next question, answer the following in brief. First one, write about the kingdom of Vasta. The answer, first point, Vasta was the kingdom in the North India. Second, Kosambi was its capital. Third, Udayana was the brave king of Vasta. Fourth, Vasta was the famous for its cotton textile. Next question, write about the expansion of Magadha. Answer, first point, eastward expansion of Magadha began during the regime of Bimbisara, यानी कि जो मगधा है कौन से राजा के टाइम बड़ा है, तो बिम्बिसारा के टाइम. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, अजातशत्रु कॉन्कर्ड अ नंबर ऑफ ईस्टर्न रिपब्लिक्स. अजातशत्रु ने बहुत सारे ईस्टर्न के रिपब्लिक से उनको जीता था. थर्ड पॉइंट, श्रीशुंग ब्रॉट नियरली द होल ऑफ द नॉर्दर्न इंडिया अंडर द मगधा एम्पायर बाय कॉन्करिंग कोसाला, अवंती एंड द वस्ता किंगडम. और ये जो श्रीशुंग है उन्होंने ये सारी जो एम्पायर है वो जीती थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट अबाउट द रूल ऑफ द नंदा डायनेस्टी. द आंसर, नंदा डायनेस्टी रूल्ड ओवर मगधा एम्पायर फ्रॉम 364 BC to 324 BC. Next point, the Nanda rulers set up an efficient administrative machinery in rule over the vast empire. नंदा रूलर जो थे उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सेटअप किया था. थर्ड, दे स्टैंडर्डाइज वेट एंड मेजर्स. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे जो वेट का है उनका एक अच्छा प्रमाण निकाला था. दे हैड 4 फोल्ड आर्मी विच इंक्लूडेड इन्फेंट्री, कैवलरी, चैरियट्स एंड द एलिफेंट्स. और इस तरह उनके पास जो आर्मी थी वो भी एलिफेंट्स यानी कि रथ थे उनके पास, एलिफेंट्स थे, कैवलरी एंड इन्फेंट्री यानी पैदल चलने वाली सेना और घोड़ों पर चलने वाली सेना. इस तरह से उनके पास सैन्य बल था. फिफ्थ, मगधा अंडर द नंदा rulers was the first empire in ancient India. Next, fourth question, account for the fall of the rule of the Nanda dynasty. Nanda dynasty जो है वो किस तरह से उनका एंड. The answer is Dhananand, the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty, was very greedy and oppressive. जो नंदा डायनेस्टी का लास्ट रूलर था धनानंद, वो बहुत ही ग्रीडी था, यानी बहुत उसको पैसे का लालची था. सेकेंड पॉइंट, हिज सब्जेक्ट्स वेयर अनहैप्पी विथ हिज रूल. और उनकी जो प्रजा थी उसके साथ वो अनहैप्पी थी. थर्ड, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य अटैक एंड कॉन्कर्ड मगधा इन 324 BC. फोर्थ पॉइंट, देयर बाय द रूल ऑफ द नंदा डायनेस्टी केम टू एन एंड. Next question, write short notes on the following. First question, Mahajanpadas. Answer, first point, some of the Mahajanpadas were monarchies ruled by kings. Second, the most important of these were Kosala, Vasta, Avanti and Magadha. Third point, some Mahajanapadas were administered by Gana Parishad consisting of senior and the responsible citizens. Fourth, in such Mahajanpadas, the executive council was in charge of the day-to-day administration. Next, Ajatashatru. First point, Ajatashatru, the son of Bimbisara, was the king of Magadha who conquered a number of eastern republics. Second, Magadha prospered during his regime. Third, he embraced Buddhism and gave royal patronage to Jainism and Buddhism. Fourth, he was the contemporary of Gautam Buddha. Next, Ganaparishad. First point, in the 6th century BC, some of the Mahajanpadas had Ganaparishads consisting of senior responsible citizens. Second, the Ganaparishad had supreme authority to power to govern. Third point, however, for day-to-day administration, there was an executive council and the decisions were taken on the basis of a vote of majority. Next, Bimbisara. First point, Bimbisara was an important king of Magadha. Second, the expansion of Magadha started during his regime. Third, he annexed the states of Kashi, Anga, Madra, Avanti, and Kosala. Fourth, a famous Vaidya named Jivaka was a member of King Bimbisara's court. Next question, King Prasenjit. First, Prasenjit, the king of Kosala, was very courageous and an able general. Second, he was contemporary of Gautam Buddha. Third, a war took place during his regime between Kosala and Magadha, and Kosala was merged with Magadha. Student, like, share and subscribe to my channel.